And here's exactly where I see the secret to digital growth and the secret to future revenue and future income, because this can be found by focusing your product positioning, financial brand positioning as the cure, as the prescription to people's biggest pain points. And so your financial brand's future revenue streams will be created by what I see the bundling of financial coaching programs. Bundle them up with a spending account and not a checking account. Let's just call this a spending account for this exercise. And here's why. When we think about the future an account holder wants to create, what's standing in their way more often than not is money. And most people don't have a savings problem. Instead, they have a spending problem. And they have a spending problem because their spending behaviors are deeply rooted in their own upbringing and just their environment at large. And so coaching, guidance, accountability, and really coaching, guidance, and accountability that is informed by data and insights that you have on your account holders, gleaned through automation, gleaned through AI. This is what will help people get beyond their financial stress and get to a bigger, better, brighter future that is framed around their own personal goals for growth, not your financial brand. And so to do this is really cultural transformation I see, is putting and committing to put the transformation of people over the transaction of dollars and cents. That's why, coming back to start this conversation, point number one, purpose. And that's why we put purpose at the center of our digital growth blueprint. People will pay for coaching when they want to experience real transformation in their lives. Think about this for a moment. If you want to transform your fitness level, you pay a fitness coach not only to show you how to do it, but to hold you accountable to make sure that you actually do it. You want to transform your diet. You pay a dietitian not just to show you how to do it, but to also hold you accountable to make sure you change your eating behaviors. You want to transform your leadership skills. You pay a business coach not just to show you how to be a better leader, but to hold you accountable as you personally grow from good to great. And people will do the same thing when it comes to their financial situation if coaching, financial coaching, is positioned correctly. Through our research, we're already starting to see some brands do this, and not through the traditional lens of an incumbent bank or credit union. One of these brands in particular is called the Financial Gym. The Financial Gym is based out of New York City. And now, in fact, a report that they shared found that members who pay to be in their program, they save around $6,000 per year while increasing their credit score an average of 50 points. So to think about this, how much would someone pay your financial brand for financial coaching, guidance, advice, accountability? Well, let's just use these numbers from the Financial Gym. And if you're able to save the average person in your financial coaching program $6,000 per year through not only debt consolidation, but also spending behavior modification, a membership of $100 per month, or let's just say $1,000 per year, that gives them a tremendous return on an investment they make in themselves, and more importantly, an investment that they make in their future. And it gives your financial brand a tremendous opportunity to earn both interest income through, for example, if you're repackaging debt for them, but I think even more, the opportunity is bigger here, is not just through the interest income, it's through the non-interest income that comes through the value creation by putting people at the center of all of your thinking and doing. So think about this. If you were able to start a financial coaching pilot program bundled up with a spending account that includes an annual membership fee of $1,000 or $100 per month, and you were able to get just 100 people in this pilot program, you've now opened up an extra $100,000 per year in annual non-interest income. And once you work out the kinks in this pilot program and you begin to scale it even further, this is where you add not 100 people, but you grow 100 to 1,000. Now you've added an additional $1 million in annual non-interest income through a repeatable program focused on guiding people in the communities you serve beyond their biggest questions, beyond their concerns, and really helping them to overcome and break free of the problems that are keeping them up at night, the problems that are stressing them out, the problems that are taking a toll on their health, their relationship, their sense of well-being. And when you do this, they will get to a bigger, better, brighter future, not because of your products, but because of your coaching, your guidance, your insight, your accountability. And I promise you, when you do this for them, they will tell their friends, they will tell their family about all the good that you've done for them beyond just providing them with another commoditized checking account that they could get anywhere. And that's because you gave them so much more. You gave them help. You gave them hope. And as they tell their friends, they tell their family about your personalized financial coaching program, your coaching program that has the potential to scale even further, to empower you to generate even more annual non-interest income. You know, if you get 10,000 people in a program like this, well, now you have the potential to generate $10 million in non-interest income. And so this is the future of growth for financial brands in a digital world where we have all of this insight, all of this data into people's spending behaviors to provide them with guidance, to provide them with recommendations, and most importantly, to provide them with accountability to transform their own mindset, to transform their spending behaviors that keep them stuck in their current present reality.